Is everyone done mowing their lawn already? Hey guys, my name is 𝔐𝔻𝔻 and today I'm going to be announcing my giveaway. So if you didn't know, I'm giving away a cosplay / LARP related item, and today is the day that I unbox it. Mud and Majesty on Etsy saw my antlers unboxing video and decided they wanted to give me 2 horns, one for me and one for you. These are custom made horns and they are one of a kind. Nowhere else in the world will you find these horns. Now I'm not totally sure if both horns are going to be exactly the same or if one's going to be different for the giveaway, but we're just going to have to see. Before I open this box, I want to say Mud and Majesty, thank you so freaking much. This is honestly the best thing that any stranger has ever done for me. Okay, I want to thank you later, but first I want to open this box. Here we go. Sorry for all the loud noises that you might hear. I just thought that doing this outside would be appropriate. Oh man, this is what it looks like inside. Okay, the giveaway is different from my horns. So first, I'm gonna open mine. All right, are you ready? These are my horns. Oh my God, look how amazing these are. Okay, I want to show you a close-up. So these are dryad horns. I wanted wood branch-like horns. I gotta put these on. Oh my God. So these are quite tall. So I think they're gonna go on something like this. Now imagine me with big green dryad dreadlocks and leaves all over the place. Oh my God, this is gonna be a crazy costume. One day, I only have the horns right now. These are so cool. There is a cat. Can you hear that? Somebody's always mowing. I literally waited hours for my next door neighbors to finish mowing, and then other neighbors start mowing during my freaking recording. I can't wait to do a photo shoot with these. I'm gonna have to make like a full dryad costume just with these horns. I love how there's like branches interlooping and I've got little sprouts and vines. Oh man, these are freaking amazing. Literally the best horns I've ever seen. And that's not an exaggeration, like literally. I can't wait to be a dryad queen or a sprigging queen. I'm gonna have to figure out how to glue these on my head. Anyway, I'm so glad I was able to show these off, but I know most of you don't even care about these. You want your giveaway. Now this is a total surprise. I had no idea what she was sending me for your giveaway. But here it is. Bum, bum, bum. Here's your giveaway. This comes with a headband and it has fur. You can see these are little antlers. These are very cute, but not nearly as cute as mine. But at the same time, I feel like these are pretty feminine looking. This is pretty gender neutral. So if you're a girl or a guy, not that it really matters, but it really looks like a girl or a guy could wear this. So here is your giveaway. Now let me tell you how to apply for this giveaway. Number 1, most important, you have to be subscribed. Why would I want to give these away to someone who doesn't even like my content, okay? You must be subscribed. I will check to see if you're subscribed. Number 2, I want you to leave a comment down below on this video saying why you want this giveaway. If you have special plans for these, please let me know so I'll be more likely to pick your name. Now, out of all of the comments who have a decent comment saying why they would want these, I'm gonna put your name on a piece of paper, then I'm gonna put all the names in this hat. I'm gonna give you 1 week from when this video is uploaded. In 1 week, I'm going to put your names in this hat, draw a name, and pick the winner. Also, you have to be able to send me your address or your PO box or whatever, because I can't send you this giveaway if you won't tell me your address. So 1, subscribe, 2, comment, 3, you should be able to send me your address some way or form. Once I pick the winner, I'm going to let you know, and you can send me your address via Facebook, Twitter, Amino, Discord, whatever you want that's private, so I can send you this giveaway. All right, again, Mud and Majesty, to those of you who worked on this project and sent me these free gifts, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And I'm so glad that I can give something away to my followers. So please share this video with your friends because I want everyone to know about this awesome giveaway. If your friend, your sister, brother, mother likes cosplay, LARP, deer, fawns, whatever, tell them so they can have a chance to win this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I do video games, I do cosplay, LARP videos, I do other kinds of videos. If you really like fantasy things, please consider subscribing. Like this video, share with your friends, comment that you want this giveaway, and I cannot wait to share this gift with you. Remember, 1 week